Hello. I wanted to do a quick video on my project just in case the zip files or the other files don't go through for some reason. I did mine on basic weightlifting. So to start, I do have audio throughout the lesson, as well as closed caption. I added my own animated arrows to go next in previous. So since I have my own on here, I took out the playhead that was down below. Here you can see the next and previous area arrows. Um, there's audio on this page. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's there. I'm gonna mute it for now. And then I also have closed captions on the slide. The next slide, the closed captions, I just had it set to where it comes up automatically, but I like the idea of having to click closed captions for them to come up. On this page, this is where I added, I believe it's the interaction. It's an accordion, and I did it so there wasn't so much on the page. And it just goes over the different muscle groups for each. The learner would just have to click on each one to see. And when they are done, they can go next. Added a knowledge check, just can keep them engaged. And then if they don't get it correct, they would get try again. And they could try once more, and it would continue on to the next page. The avatar that I used, she was, there wasn't any coaches or athletes or athletic attire for the avatar, so I just chose her. Looks friendly. So here I have it set where they can click on back squat or deadlift, bench press. I do want to find a way where I can hide final activity. I thought I had it, but it's not, it wouldn't show up after I clicked on each of these. So the idea is to have the learner click on each lift, whichever order they wish. Once they click on it, it takes them to the slide where it has the video of how to do the lift, and it takes a minute for it to come up, but it will come up in just a moment. So once this comes up, they will watch it and then click next, answer the question, and the same thing happens where it will tell them try again or proceed. Now, once they answer the last question, I plan on having a couple more questions before it takes them back. So once they click continue, it would take them back to this branching page. Then once they answer each of the, once they click on each of the lifts, it will give each of them a green check mark, letting them know that they had completed it. And then what I'm hoping for is at that point, once they come back, then final activity will appear. Then the final activity, I'm planning on having a drag and drop. In this case, I just have two images just to show as an example. So if they get it incorrect, it will, it will, I'm wanting them to be placed back in the middle, and at that time they will have the opportunity to try again. This was the last page. So once they're done with this, it would take them to the end, congratulating them for finishing the course. and just letting them know maybe a quick overview of what we went over, and then it would be the end.